If you guys would like to repeat, you can walk through with the same session. So in the chat box, I have just now said hi to you guys. If you can just confirm that all of you can hear my voice. And of course, my screen is also visible. Fantastic, Sumit. Thank you so much. So let's quickly create the agenda for today's class. So guys, we are going to talk about the content writing as an industry, that how content writer works, what are the different roles of these content writers, why do companies hire content writers, how as an industry you can go ahead and get an experience of it. Then I'll also put some light on the sources of income one can generate as a content writer. You might have heard a lot around freelancing, full-time roles, even businesses taking content writing nowadays as an opportunity to go ahead and do a brand building around it, or using it do a brand building, lead generation purposes and all. So we will talk about it. We will get in depth of that. Then I'll also give you a long-term view of content writing, because what I have realized over a period of time, people, they typically have this myth in mind before they start with any programs, that once you learn, or once you're going to learn content writing, it's just that you're going to become a pro in this subject, which is absolutely not true. So to become even someone, forget pro, to become someone, how much time it will take for you guys to invest, we will talk about it as well. Of course, I'll take an opportunity to introduce IM Skills program, that why is that we are one of the most respected institution delivering these courses. And then I'll go ahead and give you an option to go ahead and ask me any kind of a question related to your course, related to your career, related to anything in this industry, or about anything related to content writing. So let's go ahead and quickly begin with it, right? Now, if I have to understand my audience right now, we as a people right now have objective in mind, and that's why we are sitting in this orientation, right? So some of you may be looking ahead to go ahead and get your first job in content industry. Some of you may be expecting a freelancing or work from home kind of projects after learning content writing. Or you may have a business, which is a traditional form of business, or you've recently started with a website and you're looking forward to enhance or upgrade your skills towards, content writing, so that you can expand your reach, you can expand your business digitally. So to my audience in the chat box, I would like to request if you can put some light, that how, what exactly is what you're looking forward, so that I can go ahead and guide you guys about it. Meanwhile, Pratyusha and Mohammed connect using internet audio. All right, so guys, in the chat box, please, if you can go ahead and put that in the chat, that I'm here to go ahead and get my first job. I'm here to start with my freelancing, or I am here to go ahead and set up my business around content industry. If you can just put that, so I can talk about it, I can guide you guys at how it's going to work, each and everything. So Lakshay, if you can just write that, Preeti, Aditi, Deepika, Deepti, Jagdish, Shiva, Vanshika, and everyone else in the chat box. Meanwhile, Shiva, if you can speak with Mohammed, PD, and S. Ashish, the mics are still not connected. So we have Vernon, that's for free. He's here for freelancing. Lakshay is again looking forward to do freelance. Sachin for job. Then how can it help me as a side hustle? All right. And you are into your primary job. Great. This is for Sumit. I'll talk about it, Sumit. We'll do an open Q&A in the end. Yugan says for part-time job. Priyanka for full-time role. And Jagdish is here for freelance. Deepti here to go ahead and gain knowledge about this industry. And Aditi is here. She's a full-time freelance content writer with approximately 5 years of experience. Wonderful. I'm here to upgrade my skills and find better opportunities, full-time or remote for Deepti. Deepika says, I want to do freelancing and make it as my main career industry. Oh, great. Super, guys. Sumit says, in that case, is a freelancer. For Preeti Chawla, again for freelancing. Jobs in copywriting, wonderful should be. I'm doing a business right now and planning for freelancing opportunities then. Oh, great, superb. Thanks, Francis Arul. All right, so let's understand that what are different roles of these content writers. I'll put some light for the people who are here to first go ahead and get their jobs in the content writing industry, right? So that you guys can understand. So if I'll ask you right now a question, that what are the KRAs of these content writers? Why is that any organization is hiring these content writers? And on the other side, if I have to talk about it, that what will be your primary role if you are going to work for someone in this industry? So if you can just put some light, whatever your current understanding is, it can be good, bad, it can be wrong, right? That's a different thing. But if you just put some light that I understand as of now that a content writer is supposed to do this work. Let's say if you're going to work with IM skills, that I am going to write content around courses, I'm going to talk about education, or I'm going to create academic writing content for our various courses, or I may create product pages, XYZ things. So as a person, what are your current understanding towards this as a subject? Take next 30 seconds and contribute in the chat box. The more we will discuss, we will really go ahead and get maximum value out of this program. So according to Deepika, she says to build engagement and future in everything online. So it's much needed. Wonderful, Deepika. Anyone else would like to write that? You have next 25 seconds now. Moreover, just think about it, that why is that Amazon as a company would need a content writer? So for Sumit, it's to generate leads. Wonderful. For Sachin, it's for marketing. Great. Why is that a company like Hindustan Unilever or let's say X brand will hire a content writer? Deepika, for sales. Wonderful. To provide info on any particular subject, according to Sumit. Wonderful. For effective communications, according to Priyanka. Great. To promote their brand with Tisha. Wonderful. Now let's understand and do some research, okay, so that we can understand hands-on that how exactly this industry works. So let me Google something. I'll go ahead and Google it right now, called iPhone 11 Pro. Now, if you ask someone, now this is Google ad, okay? Again, it's a part of copywriting. The great copies you write in the ads, you're a great copywriter. However, let's go ahead and focus at this thing right now. Guys, if you can see this, and if I click the first result, which is Apple website, and if I'll go back, then I have second result as GSM Arena, and the third result I have as, what is that? It's Amazon, right? Now, if you look at this screen right now, everything which is created here is known as product or a landing page. Now, who are these people who creates these product pages? They are copywriters, they are content creators. Everybody with me? Now, if you look at Amazon as a company, what are their expectations while they're creating any product pages? Or you as a content writer is doing that for them. They want maximum people to visit this brand page, correct? And finally, what they want as a brand, what Amazon is expecting? Online sales. Are you with me? If Amazon is there and they are creating various product pages using content writers, copywriters, the final focus is to go ahead and get sales. Are they looking forward that someone to give them or subscribe to their newsletters? I think no, right? If you look at for Amazon as a company, what Amazon is expecting, only customer acquisition. And how it is possible, the great, if you look at it as a simple layout of it, they've given you a complete description, the way they have described the entire thing, they're finally pushing you towards an online thing. The purchase or sale thing happens, right? Because there is no human communication between you and the brand. Everyone connected? Is there is any kind of an expectation from a point of view of Amazon, from the content writing profile, or anyone may expect something different than someone to acquire a lead generation thing for Amazon as a content writer? Anyone in this group right now? Can I get your quick yes, no in the chat box? 5 seconds to all. If you can just write that, yes, no, maybe, quickly. Do you think other than online acquisition for a customer or something, Amazon is expecting something else? No. Absolutely, right? Now, if you look at you as a writer, if you work for a company like, let's say, IM Skills, now your role is to go ahead and create engagement related to keywords. Now, what are keywords? Keywords are terms which are searched at search engines, right? Aditi can relate it better given she's working in the content industry. Now, people pick up there. So there are various types of keywords. Some are, commercial keywords which can directly pay you. Some are those keywords which are around information driven, right? So let's say if I'm searching for, is content writing a good career? Now, if you look at it as a, is content writing as a career is good or something around it, this is something when I'll drive people towards, yes, it is good. I'll talk about the career opportunities and then finally I'll land to these people where? To an online demo class, right? Now, as a whole, if you look at this, writer will go ahead and generate maximum leads from us. Everybody. So brand like IM Skills or various businesses like IM Skills, what are their expectations? Their expectations is that you do lead generation. The more number of leads you are going to generate for any brand, right? That's finally an outcome that yes, this particular writer is a good writer or a bad writer. Now, if you look at other brand, like let's say, if you have ever invested time on reading at medium.com, at quora.com, or such platforms, right? During election days, you may see a lot of content around prime minister faces, chief minister faces for that particular state or country. People talk a lot positive or a negative about stuffs, right? What they say that this person really contributed, did this, that, and all. Are they looking forward to sell you something? No. Are they asking you for your phone number, email ID, contact details? No. Then why is that they're creating a lot of content with the influencers' help and a lot more? Because they are actually building that brand. That's called brand building using content writing. As a writer, when you're building a brand that helps people to go ahead and engage with more and more people so that the figure of that particular political image, it should, it should be considered as the right candidate for that particular profile. Can be CM, can be prime minister, or XYZ thing. Even if you look at brands like Hindustan Unilever, let's say they have a product called, though I know that that product doesn't belong to them, let's say Colgate, and they talk about it, they create content. Now, content can be found in various different forms. It can be in text, it can be in voice, it can be in infographics, and it can be in video format as well, right? Now, wherever you see, they are promoting their products like Colgate and XYZ thing. All they want is that to develop that brand so that you feel confident that when you're moving out from your home to buy that grocery, you must see that brand and feel, okay, this is a known brand. I can buy this. It's a reliable product. Everybody. So if you look at it as a content writer, your role is either to go ahead based on various businesses. You're going to either work towards generating their online sales. You're either here to go ahead and get online leads generation and all that, and helping them to develop a brand. Any business or every business which has a website, they need a content writer, right? Now, how can I land to a job? That's something which is very critical. Now, people and out, so including me, everyone, what we claim is that you learn our course, you're job ready. Is it true? Potentially, yes. I can say that people are job ready, but they are not that much ready when I talk about it as a full-fledged career, because people would need a trust factor thing when they are hiring you as a content writer, and content is a slow industry. If anyone have ever heard about terms called SEO, which are related to content, it takes around 3 months to 6 months time, depending upon your website, your domain authority, little, technical terms. But these things will take time for Google or any search engine to trust you. Now, if you're writing an email content for someone, that's something which is very easy. But when I'm talking about, pages like commercial pages, articles, blogs, to get readers, to get subscribers, to get leads, to get online sales, it's a slow process. People or search engines will take time. Everybody. Now, how can I drive that? Critical. See, when you say that I have a certified programmer, I've done a certified course, and I'm a certified person now, and I'm job ready, my answer is no. That's not true at all. I know a lot of people will promise, a lot of organizations will promise, which are selling these courses, including us. But that's not the reality, to be very honest. What people would love to hire you as, I'll explain. Now, people want that you should have skills. Take it like this. You would like to go ahead and hire a coach for your gym, right? Or your yoga practice. And this guy is really fat, right? Will you trust that guy? I don't think so. You will hire someone, the one who has a lean body, at least a fit body, right? I'm not talking about good, six-pack muscles and all, but at least that person should have a great, appealing body that one can trust. Similarly, you as a content writer will be trusted the moment you as a person have done this work hands-on. So an approach towards learning content writing for those who are here to get their first job in this industry. One, never ever develop your free account, which is known as, let's say, Vaibhav.wordpress.com. Why I'm saying this? Because it's so impossible to ever showcase that you know this as a subject. A lot more technical stuff inside it, which is part of our training. But just remember that whether you learn it here or somewhere else, free blogs are nothing, but it's just like that to practice something. But in the end of the day, it's not something which you can go ahead and drive your trust with. What is advisable? Now, one, pick up a niche. Now, wherever you will learn your content writing, pick up a niche, and that stands for, let's say, if you're talking about travel, then make sure that throughout your entire journey of this website, you only talk about travel as a stuff. If Nike shoes starts talking about McDonald's burger, do you think that's advisable? Search engines will not trust it. Now, your focus has to be only travel. Remember that. And then get in depth of that and focus towards writing engagement or engaging content so that people can read, engage, and they become your subscriber. Now, this journey is like 3 to 6 months. All right. Now, in this time frame, you must go ahead and drive at least 1,000. You should have a target in mind that I'll drive 1,000 visitors at my blog every month. We will be able to monetize. We will be able to analyze everything with the help of Google Analytics and other such tools. Now, the other person, wherever you will approach. So let's say next day you will go and ask me that I would like to go ahead and become your content writer. I can see your analytics. I can see that how hard you work. And I can see that, yes, you are able to drive people, because the relationship begins the moment you're able to go ahead and create that engagement. Everybody sold on this part, that how you have to go ahead and decide your journey. So remember that how internet content industry works. There is something called search. Let's say you guys search for content writing course, right? You landed to us, you landed to some other institutes as well. I'm not talking about through ads. I'm talking about organically. Everybody, now, the next move from here is that you will see that product, right? You will like it or you may not like it. Then finally, you will decide wherever you will like that product, you will offer that training. That's how the relationship works, right? Now, similar relationship you need to drive when you're looking forward to go ahead and get your first job. People will expect that you write that content that has a value. If you do not have those values, you're unable to create that. You don't understand the mechanism, the webmaster. Finally, it's for no value. Everybody, can I get your quick yes or no in the chat box that I'm clear about it? This was for those who are here to go ahead and get their first job. A quick yes is required from all: Aditi, Ankur, Arulaj, Deepika, Deepti, Dhruvi, Francis, Ishika, Jagdish, Kapil, Madhumita, Manikant, and I'm sorry if I missed someone, Shiva, Shubhi, and everyone else. Fantastic. Now the next move from here is that we talk about something called I'm here to go ahead and get my first work from home project. All right. So that we name it like freelancing, right? Either freelance, or we can also call it like work from home, right? Now, before I talk about it more, I would like to put some light on this as a subject. See, one thing I wanted to always tell people is that, of course, content writers, people love to hire as a freelancer, but again, it's a bit of a difficult role to perform in this industry. See how freelancing works. There are two ways to get your business, right? One, you have direct network. So it's work like networking. So let's say Aditi, she's a freelancer. Aditi Gupta, she has worked for me. I really like her work. And my friend of mine is again require a content writer. I'll connect her with, or I'll connect him with Aditi, right? Why is that? Because Aditi did a good work. So it's like word of mouth business, right? Now, such types of clients, it's not that you will not get those types of clients. You will definitely get those clients. On the other side, I have bigger opportunity. I have an opportunity. Before bigger opportunity, let's talk about the next opportunity. The next opportunity is that I have sites like freelance.com, Odex, Upwork, and a lot more, where what happens is that there are three things which happen. So you are registered there as a service provider. You are service provider. You will list down that given in this program at IIM Skills, you're going to learn around 25 different types of content writing. So you have 25 products with you now, right? That you can serve in this industry. Then I have mediator site. Now this mediator site is, it can be freelancing, Odex or something. And then you have a customer, right? So if anyone have ever worked in this industry, you better go ahead and just check that and how does this bidding part work. That the customer will come at this website, he will put some work that, let's say I need a content writer, I'll pay $1,000 or I'll pay $6 or $10, and I need 1000 words for my article writing XYZ thing. Now, what happens is that you as a service provider will bid there, right? That I'll do this work at 9.7 USD. It's not that it's just you who is bidding there with your 4-point star rating. So the point is that there are hundreds of other bidders, those who are bidding every second. There are people who have, there are businesses who have, a special profile as a bidding profile, that these people are only responsible throughout the day to bid there for the work. Are you aware about it? That is how this industry is. Now, the point is that a lot of efforts, if you invest towards this bidding and getting a new client, it's not appropriate. Why is that I'm saying this? Because it's finally a waste of time. Now, take it like this, guys. How many of you are aware about it that Just Dial is a search engine? Can I get your yes or no? How many of you are aware about it that Just Dial is a search engine? Sulekha is a search engine. Yellow Page is again a search engine, right? So when you dial 10 times 8888888888, this is Just Dial number. Okay. You call this number and say, hi, I am looking forward for a content writing course. Now what happens is that they will pass you one number. Along with that, they will pass you 10 different numbers for content writing. Now what happens is that it's not just you. There are a lot of other people who may call you, right? So in this case, if you put some light, you are dependent upon a Just Dial site, right? This is one option. As a search engine, for you, your leads are dependent on Just Dial, and it's just not you who will get this lead. 10 plus other people will get this lead or opportunity to sell to this client, correct? Now, change this. What if someone search for content writing course and you appears in front of them at Google search engine? Take it like this, that your name comes in front of them, that all right, this is an institute offering digital or content writing course. Let me go ahead and study here, right? Or they may research about you. Now, in this context, if you look at it, when they are doing this, that's like, I'm predicting that it's not just you, they will at least apply at 1, 2, or maximum 3 places, right? Usually people don't feel comfortable everywhere to share their phone numbers and email IDs. So let's say you've given that trust and then you have got this opportunity. Now, if you look at this case, the second one, the Google search, when you appeared in front of them, you have higher chances, right? To sell, to serve in a better way, maybe less chances of negotiation, this, that, and all, correct? Now, in this context, what I'm trying to relate, when you as a freelancer is bidding there at those sites, is this difficult? Answer is yes. Is it something meaningful? Answer is somewhat. Is it something for a long term I can go ahead and work upon? My answer is, uh, I just don't completely agree to this. I better recommend something different. I'll talk about that after this. But I somewhere feel that freelancing is a bit overhyped. In fact, we've also written it at our website, that freelancing opportunities, but that's a reality. Then you must accept that it's little hard to go ahead and sell like this. The way traditional marketers are selling, that go to freelance sites, bid there, or have your network and then work like that. Little odd. Versus I can create an opportunity. Now you need to understand that. Let me go back here and go back here again. Let me ask you guys one question. You guys have to answer this. Let's say when you're writing something, a term, this entire industry works on keywords. As a content writer, you must start loving keywords, okay? That how many people search for this, how many people search for this, and then you write content like that, okay? Now my question is, when I search for iPhone 11 Pro, you can see page number 1 in front of you. Why is that Amazon, Flipkart, such sites are there at page 1, rest are at page 2 and infinity, and no one moves go, or no one actually clicks at page 2 or the rest of the pages? Typically we click at first 5 rankings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's called the CTR, click through rate. Have you ever wondered about this thing, that why everyone else is at page number 2? According to Aditi, it is SEM, okay? It is though SEO, Aditi, maybe it's search engine optimization. But now paid ad is just this, Ishita, only this. Rest, these are all organic results, non-paid results. Okay. The moment this ads is written, this is paid. So why is that the top visited site? Let's say you will write a content copy and but your name doesn't appear at page one. Why? Now just focus towards it. No, doesn't. No, these are okay. That's part of our trainings. You need to understand that if you will work like a content writer, is your role is just to write the content? Will you be able to do or serve that company if you are unable to get them customers, build their brand, or get them leads or online sales? An online sale will only happen when you are at search engine page one with me. And now forget about job. Just talk about yourself. You write this, let's say content writing agency. Google it. We have local pages for Google. These are local pages. Just Word, Das Writing, 6PL, Blue Mint, Italics, Pepper Content, Content Holics, Content Writers, Verblo, something. Can you guys see this? But rest are all at page number 2, 3, 4, 5, and infinity. Now, why is that this website is justwords.in is here versus the other one? Everyone? Now, the point is there's something called the background around it. It's called search engine optimization. Now, if your client will search content writing agency, am I right or wrong? Will your client search for content writing agency when they want to hire you? I guess yes. And you appears in front of them. That means you have a lead opportunity versus you are at those bidding sites which says content writing freelancers and a lot around it. Able to relate, connect. Let's say when I search for iPhone 11 Pro, Amazon appeared. Amazon has higher number of chances to sell in comparison to the companies which are at page number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Able to relate, guys? Anyone who is still unclear about it? Now, what people do as a mistake, they are dependent upon third party site. Always. You, and this is for those who are here for freelancing or business purposes. I want you to merge yourself towards business instead of just freelancer. Now, guys, it's Priyanka and Lakshay, Rikti, and everyone else. This is a long-term process. It will take around years of practice, at least 1 year, not lesser than that. So let's say, Priyanka, you are establishing your agency. Who cares that you have one employee or you have 1,000 employees? No one. But one option was that you are developing a company which is a freelancing approach company, that priyankamakija.com, a person doing content writing. Bad option. Second option is that you have created a company called justwords.in. Right option. Because in the end of the day, you can work towards creating a product pages that you are appearing in front of your searches, and then people are visiting your sites. They're giving you their contact details. You're calling them, selling them. Bigger opportunity. And you are at the moment a business instead of just a freelancer. A simple process towards this as an industry is what people do. They will, of course, when they learn, they have a simple process, because in 1 month you will learn content writing. There is no rocket science behind it. It's very easy, trust me. But the toughest part is that, let's say, Priyanka, you're the best, you know, uh, uh, you can cook the best butter paneer masala for vegetarians, let's say this, across the world. But if you're unable to market yourself, do you think people will be able to see that Priyanka is the best cook for this dish? No. So you need to understand the background. It's not just that you will learn a skill. A skill without marketing is just, a ship without sail. Simple. You will not be able to drive. Everybody, now what you need to focus on, just focus is that even if you're developing your freelancing profile or you're developing your business profile while learning digital marketing thing, that's called the content industry thing. My focus, my recommendation is always one, that approach towards these freelancing sites, it's not bad, but don't just be dependent upon these sites. Your final aim has to be there, that I am going to work like this, that over a next, so of course, you for next 1 year, what will you do? Die for some work, check how much you are getting. But your final focus should be here, agency development. And you can do a lot more. This was just one of those examples. Content writing agency, just one keyword. Look at it. Resume writing services is what you can also do along with it. Search for, I mean, look at it as a search volume. Can I serve people? 2,900 plus people, they search for resume writing services. And just for your understanding, my friends, one resume writing, if you check these sites, they charge, if you ask them for cover letter, LinkedIn profile, and resume, they charge around 20,000 bucks. Book Your CV, all these sites. You can research. I mean, there are a lot more. Is it like that you will only do content writing? No, resume writing you can do, SEO article writing. You will also do this, and a lot more, because it's so vast. As a service, you can go ahead and do a lot more, right? You can do email writing. You can go ahead and do PR for people. You can search for PR agencies. Look at it as a keyword. Now, these keywords are diamonds for you. Why? Because these are the words which your clients are searching every day. Look at it. PR agency in Delhi, PR agency Delhi, PR agency Mumbai. These are those keywords, right? PR agency, what it takes to conduct a PR for someone. Create that. You're going to learn in this course. You can develop your PR channels and do that. How much people pay? Just check other sites. People are ready to spend few lakh rupees when they start with a new business or they are launching something new. They want to go ahead and conduct those PRs. Everybody, are you sold? So my recommendation, whether you learn it here or somewhere else, my recommendation is one and simple, that your focus should be only at one thing, a long-term career. Instead of just freelancing, focus more at establishing a strong portfolio at the web, and that says your own agency. Just the last thing before I move ahead and talk about it, I know, if you, okay, let me ask you a question. How many of you have been to other institutes? Please don't name me that in the chat box, but just write that other institute. Yes, I've been to. And of course, at least to attend a demo or to compare that who offers what in this industry. In the chat box, please, if you can just put some light. You can write that, just me. I'm okay with that. For Deepti, Ishita, none. Okay, if anyone have been to other institutes, Pratisha, Nanda, you have been. Okay, let me just relate here. Every organization talks about it. I have read, I have my competitors. Jagdish, very good, the way you write me. Okay, creative. You can be a good writer for sure. All right, so now the point here is that focus. Now, what they say that some of the organizations, that how I have earned 2 lakh, 3 lakh, like a writer, ghost writer, freelancer writer, and all that. Some says I have done this, that. Some says get clients from US, UK, such types of things are being promised at websites of various people. Some are ranked 1, 2, 3 by their own so-called things. But the focus is just one and simple. If you call them and ask them that what are your batch sizes, they will say that we take 15 students in any of our batch. Now they run a batch for 15 students wherein they charge you around 10K. So like 1.5 lakh is what they make every month from the students from this particular course. Out of which they give you around 50K to their teachers because they have external trainers. Unlike IM Skills, I'm the teacher. They have their external faculties. Some are there, they spend a lot of amounts on Google Ads. They have their sales team. I'll calculate their income too. So overall, if I'll say that 1.2 lakh is what they spend, let's take this number that they make around 30K. Forget, let's keep it like they make 70K profit themselves a month. Look at it. An organization which is so vast, running their businesses, they themselves is making around 70K as a profit. If content freelancing is such a big career opportunity, it's good that they can hire 30 people a month, give them 30K salary, and train them in a way that they can give those 3 lakh per month income to these guys, out of which 2.7 lakh is a profit. So if you calculate this, what they make 81 lakh rupee in a month as a profit through freelancing, out of which what they pay just 9 lakh rupee salary. Bit overhyped, right? These are all selling skills to attract people, because we as a people love these easy words that make money online, work from home. Seems like a dream thing that, oh, I'm at Himalayas, a hot cup of coffee is coming, and I am working. I'm telling my kids, hey, baby, don't disturb me. I'm working on a project like that. You know, we have a dream things to happen, and something like this around. But please accept the fact that it's so hard working industry. It will take time, and there is nothing related to that you can make such a big amount as a freelancer as well. If you will have a potential to write, even if someone as the highest amount will give you 1 rupee, mark my words, my friend, that you cannot write more than 40 to 50k words a month, because it takes a lot of research. Aditi, can you relate it better, given you said that you are a content writer? A lot of research is required while writing a content. Let's say you've got a project around medical writing and you are someone who've never done this. Now look at it, that you have to research about everything before you start writing. So writing to a maximum potential is what you can make like 40, 50k. So figure out other ways, which we are going to teach you in this program, that what you can go ahead and leverage as an industry. So that's how it's going to work. Everybody, can I move ahead to the next topic? I hope this point is clear. So my recommendation to all before I conclude this part, job is what I've told you, that how you have to create your internet profile so that people can trust and hire you. That's point number one. The point number two is that freelancing you should definitely do, but just for meanwhile, okay? Your final focus should be that developing your agency, which caters to around 25 to 30 different types of writing services. That includes articles, blogs, PR, anything which you can do, copywriting, ghostwriting, whatever people are searching, your name should appear. And all you need is that, remember that. As you know, you can see 2,900 people are searching for it. Do I need 2,900 people? Answer is no. Absolutely no. Out of this 2,900 people, you only need 5 people every month. That's it. The beauty of this B2B business model is that, let's assume that per client you have booked a revenue of 10,000 rupees. So 50k is what you have booked now. The beauty of business to business model is, let's assume 1st of Jan, you have booked a client who is ready to pay you 10k monthly for their writing services, and you have 5 such clients. Now 50k is what you have made in the month of Jan. On 1st of Feb, you are not jobless that you have to hunt for a client like me and speak on Thursday at 3 p.m. You will already have 50k worth client with you on 1st of Feb by default, if you're serving them well in from January month. The next move is that you have to add 5 more clients now. So 1st of March, if you are there, you are at 1 lakh rupee revenue. Now this is how business works. Now in this case, you will move ahead from this step, and the step towards this is that you can add more and more people in your team and grow it like this. Bigger vision is clear. The long-term view of content industry, guys. Can I get a quick yes, no in the chat box? You should focus at it. Is it something reliable, promising, good career? My answer is that there is nothing better than this as of today, guys. Look at it as an internet stats. I'll just show you that. So the more number of people going live with their websites at the web will hire content writers. Just remember that. And if I'll show you the number right now, the live websites across the world, even if you look at it, every millisecond there is a new website going live. Look at it, total number of websites across the world. You just have to grab 5 clients out of it, nothing else. And it's so promising, but a lot of patience and hard work is required. But Deepika, Pratisha, I am telling you, please mark my words, nothing better than this in the digital age. Because in digital age, content is the king. The one who can write good content is the one who will drive everything. Just remember that. Even if you want to validate it, if I'll ask you guys to write your city name in the chat box right now, you will be able to see that I am sitting in Delhi right now, but I have people from India and even outside India. And these people I have never contacted. They reached out to me. How? It's just that content. Look at it. Chennai, Indore, Bangalore, Pune, Noida, Delhi. People, Himachal, look at it. Jodhpur, Ahmedabad, Chennai, Deepthi from, she's from Chennai. Now look at it, guys. What that made you to be here at IM Skills? Only that content. Can you guys now relate the opportunity that how big it is? Someone is from Assam, Mohammed Nasruddin, Tamil Nadu for Francis. Now this is how content as an industry is so big, and all it takes is that a website and your content. That's it. Mix them well, your milkshake is ready. It's like that. Okay, great, guys. Can we move to the next subject? Deepti, I'll answer this question which you have asked me. You can just put the same question in the end, in the open Q&A. All right. So can we guys talk about the next stuff? That's called affiliate marketing. Anyone in this group have ever heard about this term called affiliate marketing? Ever? Ever in your life? Or do you know how much these bloggers are making? Okay, now tell me, okay, please acknowledge if you have never heard about affiliate marketing so that I can create that. I'll take millisecond and I'll create that. Heard, never tried. All right. No for Francis. Let me explain you guys. So in a simple layman language. So what happens is that affiliate marketing stands for that you are promoting someone else's product within your content. Let's say you're writing an article, top 10 places, or let's say top 10 resorts to travel in or nearby Delhi. This is my keyword. Your content appears in front of someone and then someone books a page or a resort that belongs to Taj and you're affiliated with Taj. Someone have booked it, you get your commission, can be 10% to 50% depending upon your terms. Clear? Let's say you are at Instagram, you have 1000 plus 1 lakh plus followers and you're promoting one product. Now that's called influencer marketing. Okay, that you have a lot of people who get influenced because of you. That's called influencer marketing. And the moment you can write good content, that's called affiliate marketing with the help of URLs which you're sharing. If you are foodie, have ever walked through with the videos at YouTube around food making, you see these vloggers or vloggers, what they say that if you don't find this ingredient, let's say you're cooking butter chicken, and they say that if you don't find this ingredient, you can buy this with the URL, give it in the description box. Ever walked through with such kind of words or ever heard these words? So the moment you click at those URLs and you buy, because it's very much obvious if you're checking a video around butter paneer masala or you're checking a video around butter paneer or butter chicken, anything based on your diet plan, you are quite clear about it that you want to cook that. So that's how it works, right? So you will click, and most of the times this ingredient which they say is typically not available around us. So you have to go and buy from those sites. Can be Grofers, Amazon Pantry, I guess, or Big Basket. Now, one example: anything and everything at the internet today is affiliated, percentage wise. Let's Google something. Best, okay, let's best check this. Best washing machine in India. You guys can see this. How many people do they search for best washing machine in India? 22,200 people. Every month they search for best washing machine in India. Correct? Let's go ahead. Typically, if I will get this result, I will only click at first option. Now look at it. If I'll give you this chance to write this content without even learning content writing, do you think you can research and write this like this way? The top 10 best washing machines in India, from top and front load, fully automatic. Can you guys see this? It's very simple, right? What they have done, nothing. It's just like specification. What do we like? product ratings, this, that, and all. Are you with me? Now, what is affiliate in this case? Nothing, right? Let's pay attention. So a call to action here is first option, check sale price. Let me click here. Now a product page is open. This washing machine comes at a price of 26,000 rupees, just for your information. All right. It's not available right now. Now, where can I find this affiliate? Look at it. Can you guys see this after this question mark? Tag is equivalent to ECD LAV. Link code is this. Let me remove this. This is ECD site. ECD. Okay. Now I have removed this URL. Let me refresh. What I've got, same website page. After this, if I'll add this question mark and this ECD, it's a affiliated URL. Everyone able to relate? Anything you can Google right now. Percentage wise, you will see results which are affiliated. What else I can go ahead and show you? Anyways, I hope you're able to relate. Everyone, need your quick yes or no? Now, affiliate marketing is something, if you have patience and if you can trust that, yes, I'm going to make money, there is nothing better than this. Okay. Now, what affiliate marketing stands for? You know what? How industry works? People, I'll explain you, okay? Though we talk about it a lot in our training, but just understand this. How we as a consumer have behavior at the internet. Find. Find means a search happened and then you saw a product. Let's say a washing machine from LG. No, you don't need anything Sampada. No context, nothing. You guys, I'll talk about it. Just give me 5 minutes. Let me complete. I'll talk about it. All right. I'll talk about everything, my friend. Now, let's say you searched LG. All right. And you found LG washing machine. After this, the next behavior you have at the internet is that reviews of that product you will check. Then you will go on various sites to buy. Typically, right? 70% of Indian consumers are now buying online, especially from urban areas. And such expensive, things people typically buy from urban areas. Everybody, are you with me? Now relate. A search happened, no matter who did what. When people write reviews, they write big reviews that appears at search engine and they are affiliated with a lot of companies. And when people click at that review and they click at that sale price, they buy from this site, like can be Amazon, Flipkart, or anywhere else where you are affiliated with and you get your commission. Do you want to see this? You realize, Vernon, that I want to buy iPhone 11 Pro, latest model. iPhone 11 Pro review is the next thing I am going to check. I will either see iPhone 11 Pro review 6 months later. This. I will either go on Gadgets, Tech Radar, these sites. Let's go ahead. Or let's say I'll go with Tom's Guide. In India, we have GSM Arena, very famous site. I'll click, let's say, if I'll click here. Now, when I talk about reviews, I'll read them, right? Human nature, I'll go to specifications, maybe, or I'll go to pictures, 360 review. But now pay attention towards the left side. They have given the best rates about the phone. Amazon.in. Amazon.in. I mean, I have Amazon as the lowest cost product right now with me. How many of you can see this? The lowest cost product is with Amazon. As a human, I have a nature to click at what? Lowest product. Look at it. Able to relate? How is that they are making, or how do people do this? Now, this is one of the best way to make money, but it takes a lot of patience. And this is how every blogger at the web is making money. best or top bloggers in India. Let's Google it. Harsh Agarwal, Shout Me Loud. Undoubtedly is very, 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 very famous. Let's go ahead, Shout Me Loud. WordPress deals. Their primary source of making money is that, look at it. Skip everything and claim your discount. Click. Pay attention. Can you guys see this? Everybody. Can I get a quick yes or no? Now, just for your understanding how much these affiliates make. Look at, I've clicked at affiliates. Every sale, they pay them 5,000 rupees. Every sale, they pay them 5,000. And it's just one of those examples. You want to check Bluehost reviews. I'm Googling it now. WP Beginner, this side, digital, host advice, Shout Me Loud is also here. We opened this site only, right? Now let's say WP Beginner, honest look and speed and uptime. Look at it, 1.8 million people, they actually check this website. Now look at it, Bluehost review. If someone will click here, I've been to some other, sorry. Bluehost, look at it. Everyone, Campion M. Balki blogger, one of the very famous bloggers. Now, guys, we of course make money through affiliates, of course, and we do it very well. We run various sites. I mean, we have affiliate channel called Advisor Uncle. We promote various educational programs. Let's say you want to check graphic designer courses or any courses related to it. Every link which you will click at, these are all affiliated links. You see, these are ads which we are running. So we get $2 per sale. That's one of my additional revenue source, but a different. We don't promote things like that. I've been running, I don't know how many of you are aware about it. I'm the founder of other business called CourseDeco.com as well. That belongs to me. In fact, that was my first business in the digital industry. And that's me. By the way, I'm darker than the one in this image. It's a Photoshop thing. My revenue source was only affiliates and various promotional things which I used to do only through content before starting IM Skills in 2015. So I'll show you something around it. So I've been an affiliate to these companies too. Now look at this page. You know what? Only this page of this M. Balki, somewhere I feel that they make 2-3 lakh USD a month only from the page. 2-3 lakh USD goes to around 1.5 lakh to 1.5 to 2 crore rupees a month only from one article, guys. Just remember that. But is it so easy? No, it takes a lot of patience. Just remember that. You have to write content like anything. Okay. And then if you have those patience and you can work upon something for next 1 year, 2 years, and you're keeping that patience with you, trust me, it can become one of those sources which can really pay you well. And that is going to be huge. So I'll show you that how this part works. For example, I've been an affiliate to this company too. I'll open this site and I'll show you the program part works. So they have a system called for affiliate marketing. There is something called hold period of any sale. Okay. Now hold period stands for that if a sale happens, there is a money back guarantee. Okay. And if someone claims that money back, of course, your sale will get cancelled. I'll show you one of those examples here. You have to give me one quick second so that I can do that. All right. So now, one second, please. look at it. So let's go to affiliates and reportings. Okay, so in my case, I get around 35 USD. So let's assume my last sale happened around 19 September. So they will have a hold period for 30 to 60 days in this case. When a sales get approved, they will send you a money in your PayPal account. And if someone takes a refund, the sale gets cancelled. So else they will pay you. How do they pay? They send it to you at your PayPal. How it works, I'll show you one of those. And this is, of course, I'm not so comfortable sharing every information about what we make with our various other channels, but just to give you an example and that confidence, so you will like it wonderfully. And just allow me a second. Let me close these sites, I think. Okay, so let's assume that if your sale is approved and so they will send it to you like this. You got your $70. It's automatic. The money will be transferred to your bank account. This is for my client, not for this. Let's say my last 35 came 26 August, like this. I mean, the pattern is like that. $140 got approved, so they'll send it to you. This is one of those ways to make money using writing. Now, neither you need someone for approval. You don't need anything. It's just simple. Go to app, so you can just click at Amazon.in affiliate. Let's say you want to become an affiliate with them. Just sign up here. They will give you their URLs and start earning. You can also check which product offers the best services or payments. And accordingly, you can go ahead and pick those. Everyone, clear about it? Can I get your quick yes, no, maybe in the chat box, please? Wonderful. So now one opportunity to talk about why I'm scared. Okay, I'll not put more light on that given that's my sales team role, but I'll still do that. Allow me to speak a bit about iron. So one is that our course and it's 100% training. Okay. As a person, you get trainer support throughout the course. That is for sure. And then of course, after the course as well. There is a lifetime access given to every student for this training program. You will learn around 25 different types of content writing, which includes article writing, blogs writing, how to write an ebook, commercial page, ads copy, business listing, academic writing, creating an institutional program, products, press release, e-listing, which is e-commerce, product description writing, web pages, mailers, brochures. Then within academic writing, there are 6 different types of it. How to write social media, products, how to create digital infographic content, how to write instructional designing, all such types of writing you're going to go ahead and learn in this program. As a person, you will go ahead and participate, that's optional, in an internship for 3 months if you learn this with us. So this internship will give you a grip on everything because you're going to work and write with us. And you will really experience a big change in your writing and of course the content marketing things. These programs come with 2 different certifications. One is with IM Skills and the other one is with HubSpot. We will prepare you for HubSpot exams as well. And then you can appear for these 2. Both are online and flexible exams. 16 hours of live lectures are there. 60 hours of hands-on assignments are there. This is just 1 month duration. After this, there is a 3 months internship. You get tools which are required to do content writing and some designing or marketing part. Those are paid tools like Elementor Pro, Yellow Pencil Pro and all. We will provide you that for free. Let's assume you want to repeat this course for, let's say in 2022. You have a choice to do that. There is no extra cost. Free of cost, you can come back and attend this course again and again. This is how this program is. Now the ticket for this course is 11,900 plus GST, which goes around 14,042 rupees, and the batch starts coming, not this, the next Sunday, 18th of October. Now I'm open to take down any questions if you have, or if you would like to go ahead and ask me. Let's go ahead and answer. So guys, by the way, I also want to tell you that IM Skills programs are even listed at Naukri as the preferred training courses. If you look at it, You Google it, IM skills. See, our course is well designed as per the industry requirement. Even if you look at it, IM skills, you will be able to see that. Here you go. So according to Naukri Content Writing Master Course, what we cover is everything listed here. According to their database, the top recruiters belongs to Economics Times, Times of India, in fact, Naukri itself, Dainik Bhaskar, and a lot more around it. So that's how it's going to be, guys. Now I am open. I can go ahead and take down your questions. You can just go ahead and ask me that. Cool. Affiliate program is only helpful when you have a good following on social media platform. Answer is absolutely no, Deepika. I think what you missed out this thing. Yugansh, my colleague, will help you. Shiva, if you have his number, you can talk to him. How about the entry level job salary? Priyanka, depends. 15,000 to 25,000. All depends upon your skills. Deepika, you need to understand that social media platforms, especially like Facebook, has only 1% organic reach. Oh, okay, let me put it this way. Forget social media, it's different, completely different. What affiliate marketing requires is that you must work towards creating a content which is respected by search engines, and how is what we are going to teach you. Let me show you around it. Let's say my writer have just now written an article around best drop shipping courses. There was an article around it. Okay. Now our affiliate channel, September 2nd, we wrote this. You are here. Someone using 1+3, as you said, it takes around 1 to 2 years to really display your work, and you need to have patience. How does one stay focused, motivated during that time? No, no, no. I think you have missed or you misunderstood. Let me explain again. See, I said that to be someone that, let's say, if I'm talking about IM skills, I've started it yesterday. Can I get so many students? No. I was saying that you keep running your bread and butters with freelancing, okay? Or you just, if you are from freelance industry, the one who is here to get a job will get a job and will work for someone else. But the one who is here to, who is aiming to go ahead and do freelance or business thing, see, do freelancing, keep, you know, doing that until the final final objective is not met. That's called developing your own presence and your own business, or establishing your own brand at the web around writing services. Now, able to relate? Is it essential to have domain and web hosting to start with this course in the future or in future? Lakshay, my one recommendation is that until you will not pay or invest at your own blog or hosting, you will never be able to become a good writer. That's it. Just remember that. You need that. These free websites are actually free. You will not get any benefit. What will be the job opportunities for one who master both content and digital? It's huge, Sachin. Look at it. As per the current date, the way digital trend is moving. If digital will grow, content writers will come in demand. If content writers are in demand, digital is anyways growing. You want to create a social media campaign, you need a writer and digital marketing skills. So in my opinion, if you look at it, there is no doubt around this industry growth at all. Vernon says, I'm actually wanting to take up a digital marketing course from IM Skills. I'm really confused. Can you just tell me that course is better in a way? Whatever we cover in content writing, we cover in our digital marketing course. All right. Now the point here is that it's all up to you. Which programs fulfills those requirements which you have in your mind. Simple one now. If you ask me that, for my advice, my recommendation is always one. follow what you're finally aiming to. Never ever go ahead and take my opinion, because I will always tell you the facts. Like, both my courses are good, but I really don't know what would you like to do in the end of the day. Is it really important to be a avid reader in order to become a good writer? I personally feel if you're good in terms of observation, you can really become a good writer. I'll tell you what. Observation in this context stands for that. Let's say you're writing about. Uh, we just read, a point around that washing machine, right? Around that affiliate thing. So my point is that look at the beauty this person have covered, what I liked, what I didn't like. As a reader, you're able to connect that you are a user with me, what I like, what I didn't like. See, if I'm using an iPhone, I can tell about it. Now, every third blog is not talking about it like this. People will tell you reviews, which are anyways available. Why will someone trust you or your content? So you must go ahead and think big creatively. And if you do this well, you are a great writer. How much time is required per day if someone wants to do this as a part-time only? You guys, it's all in your hand. Let's say you want to just make 10,000 rupees. So means you have to write 10,000 words in a month, right? Now I'll take hypothetical number that you will only write 2,000 words a week. So you can say 30 minutes to 1 hour a day, you can contribute and you can do well. The students in this course would be getting job placement assistance. Deepika, only job placement assistance. Remember that we will help you to conduct your interviews, nothing else. Rest everything. You have to go ahead and focus on. Aditi says, when is the weekday batch starting? At the moment, Aditi, no weekday batches, only weekend one. After enrolling, will you help in domain and web hosting purchase? We will address how you have to buy this. If you want to speak with me, I can be available whether you take this course or not. That's a separate thing. You can anytime talk to me. I'm always available to answer and help. What is needed from a good writer? Can any person with good writing skills become a professional writer? Is it that simple? Preeti, I feel that you don't even need a course. Trust me, no one will have a dare to tell 28 people after they complete demo to tell this thing. I'll tell you what, writing is so easy. See, okay, take it this way, Preeti. You have a friend, right, Preeti? And you ask her that let's go and eat pizza tonight. The friend says, no, it's COVID time, I cannot come. And then you wrote some words, she got convinced, right? What is that? At WhatsApp, I'm saying it's content. You finally convinced her. Okay, that's called content. Now, content writing is very simple. What is needed? Why is that you're paying 11,900 per practice? You're paying this to understand the entire world in the synchronized way, and you are paying for the mentorship. Else, you just open YouTube, everything is available there. Trust me. Are you with me? So, Preeti, the reality is that if you have this fear in mind that how will I be a good writer, my answer is it's so easy, but it takes a little patience and a smart work. If you do this, if you combine these two things, wow. Deepti Suresh says a bit long thing. I was working as a software developer. I used to create documents describing the application out of my own interest and even participate in creating this newsletter. Later, I also got a job as a technical writer at a big organization which involves document creation, but could not take it up then. When I mentioned that I was looking forward to get a job and then wanted to gain knowledge of this industry, what I had in my mind that if I want to be a candidate who is professionally qualified for such a job, I understand that this course doesn't need instantly make me a job ready. Also, I'm restricting myself to this type of jobs alone, but does the course serves my purpose? I would like to tell you this. See, if you look at from this point of view, only the technical space, you're limited. What this course opens up as an opportunity. If you are going to, let's say, you're a skilled professional who can write 25 different types of things or 30 types of writing things. What these 25 things you have, 30 things you have, these are your 30 different products. In the end of the day, if you look at it, Deepti, that someone will not come just for article writing. Maybe you'll get a client for PR. Let's say you've not got a client for PR. Maybe next year you will get a client for blog, SEO, writing, social media write-up, email write-up, newsletter creation, something around it. It will open up a lot of options. With me now? Is copywriting better than content writing? Copywriters gets better pay, undoubtedly, Deepika. But in the end of the day, both are same. Approach is similar. Webmaster guidelines is similar. Only one difference is there. That's why we cover a business listing and all that in this course. We focus at all the areas, copywriting, content writing, because copywriters has you know bigger role to play in terms of getting revenue for any brand, and people value those writers more. But copywriting has one challenge too. It's not recurring business. Let's say you have designed my product page once. After this, of course, I'm not going to get my product page again, right? Once done, game over. On the other side, content writers have a recurring business model. Will I able to get a part-time job after your course and internship? Internship is confirmed. Part-time job, I cannot guarantee you guys. I don't sell dreams like unnecessary things or I override stuff. The reality, whatever we have, we will help you to get that. I'm inclined towards writing poems. Can I get a real job related to it? For example, writing slogans or taglines. Sampada, if you have this in mind, I don't recommend even if you learn content writing. Why will someone hire you to write a poem, Sampada? Relate it, please. People don't buy poems. Have you ever purchased a poem online? If there is a poem, let's say Jingle Bell, or whatever it is, will you think people will buy? No, they will not. I'm open to the, oh, you answered it. Are the demo classes available for digital marketing course? Yes, they are. We did it yesterday. You can check at our YouTube channel. What's the duration of course duration in terms of month? Preeti, the duration for our course is going to be 1 month course, 3 months internship. I paused my screen for a moment, guys. I am supposed to do something. So, of course, I'm doing something. So I paused my screen for a second. Meanwhile, you can ask me questions in the chat box, please. And before you guys leave this orientation, if you are planning to in next 2 minutes or 5 minutes, don't forget to leave a feedback. And I'll also give you a URL right now for the batch, which we are starting up this coming next Sunday, which is 18th, because we are left with, Shiva, if you can just check and confirm me right now how many seats we are left with so that I can go ahead and restrict the number of payments at the URL which I'm sharing. Can you do that please in the chat box quickly? The internship is work from home one? Yes, Deepika. So I have hypothetically kept it for 4 tickets. Okay. So here is the payment link to register for the upcoming batch for those who are planning to take it up with 18th of October, the next Sunday, 10 to 2. The link I've already shared with everybody. This link will expire the moment first 4 people will buy automatically. I have just now shared that. You guys can walk through with the same. And anyone else who would like to go ahead and ask me a question around it? If yes, you can put that. Else, leave your feedback in the chat box, please. That how is your experience today with us? And then we are good to close this class. And if you think that we can improve somewhere, do leave that, please. We are open in terms of taking even those critical feedbacks. So do that. Thank you, Ishita. So once again, my request to those who are planning to take it up, you can go there at our official profile page at LinkedIn Sachin. There are people who have got value from us, who have appreciated. I have also tagged them in those particular things. You can talk to them, ask them about our experience, ask them how much they're making now as a writer, everything. Just ask them. IM skills, any review about us, anything related to our company. It's everything which is available, open to all. 0% manipulation in terms of our marketing or something. You can go ahead, talk to these people. For example, Suma is already there. Okay. You can just talk to her. You can talk to those people, alumni, you can see and connect with those guys. There will be break in between. We will give you break for 30 minutes. It's not a continuation. Thank you, Sumit. Thank you, Aditi. Thank you, Deepika. Glad. Thank you, Mohammed Nasuruddin. Someone using OnePlus 60. Thank you, Lakshay, Sachin. Thank you, Deepti. How can beginner get their first job as part-time? Because as you said, it's difficult to get a project if you are a beginner. You guys, I think you again, either I was unable to relate to you. You guys, people hire those guys who have bit of work experience. All I have said, one, you can of course get those part-time work with the help of freelance, but that should not be your final objective. I created with all bigger vision that you are not dependent upon those bidding practices. Okay, that is what I shared. Rest, if you're still confused, let Shiva know. I will talk to you. Thank you, Mitali. Glad to read this. All right, guys, thank you so much for sharing this. And I hope you all have really enjoyed this session. At the same time, I was able to drive that value. Once again, thank you so much, guys, for participating in this orientation class with me. I'm so happy you were here and would love to welcome you guys in the upcoming classes. The one who is planning to take it up is requested again to go ahead and book a ticket at this URL. As I said, 4 tickets are available. I need to check if someone have purchased or not. So far, no. So once it is done, we are good to go. All right. So I'm ending this session for now. I'll see you guys. Lakshay says, I just completed my 12. Is it easy for me to learn? It is very much without a problem. In fact, in the ongoing batch, we already have one student who just completed 12. Thank you guys. Have a great time. Let me close this meeting now.